Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about carbon monoxide poisoning, and so the reason why carbon monoxide is so bad for us is because it binds irreversibly to the hemoglobin in our blood. So carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas, and it can cause death for people, but so some of the symptoms include headache, nausea, dizziness, weakness, breathlessness, collapsing, loss of consciousness, and if it's severe enough, death. And people usually like to call this the flu-like symptoms. So some of the causes of carbon monoxide poisoning are household appliances such as like water heaters and central heating systems, or even running a car engine inside a garage, so like a closed space. So if you inhale carbon monoxide, you need to get to the hospital as soon as you can. Get into go outside, like get some fresh air, you know, to get away from the source. And so once you get to the hospital, you know, what's going to happen is they're going to put an oxygen mask on, and with 100% O2. Depending on how severe the case is, you might need a ventilator if you're not breathing on your own. And then recommended treatment is like the hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which is a pressurized oxygen chamber. So why that it works so well is the air pressure is 2 to 3 times higher, which increases the speed of the oxygen replacing all the carbon monoxide in the blood. And so that's pretty cool, but I don't think most hospitals have that, so that's why it's not that's why it's just recommended, not required. But just to be sure, to make sure that somebody doesn't have like the flu because it's flu-like symptoms, they'll do a blood test to see the level of carbon monoxide in your blood, to see how much of it has already been bound to it. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed.